Hey, welcome back. Gary Run Forging on and Mountain Shop. It's a little cold out here. Ain't that cold. It's 42. It's not too bad. Cold enough though. Hands are cold. Well, to introduce you to each other. There you go. There you are. Yeah. I got hat here. I got a new camera. Actually was something I had 10 years with the company, and you can pick something out of a gift thing. And they had some tools and that, but I didn't need any of those kind of tools they had there. I sure didn't want any more shirts or anything, so they had this camera. It's one of these video cameras, little handheld, and It's a Minolta camera, but it has Wi-Fi to an app on my phone, but I haven't hooked all that up. This is my first video using it. Anyway, I've got to do a work on a project today for a guy I know. This is more of a fabricating welding project. Might try to get a little hammer time in, do a little blacksmithing too, but don't know. I got a bunch of stuff to do today, so it's my first time I've been out in the shop in weeks. So let's get to it. I don't know which phone to look at or which camera. All right.